What's up, y'all? My name is Kenzie. So what's up, y'all? My name is Kenzie. Today we'll be making chicken strip tacos, but like whatever you found in the fridge, you know? So first, we got TJ Franco here.
I'm probably gonna edit the video.
What's up? I'm Austin, and this is not my idea.
What's it? Hell no, that's your idea.
Our authentic chicken strip tacos will approximately, we think it's gonna take 30 minutes, and we hope it looks like this, and this. Or it could come out like this, or this, or this. You don't want it like that. Like, yeah, we don't want it like that.
So what are we using?
We're gonna be using these bum-ass Jane's pub style chicken strips right here. Whoa!
What else? What else?
Tortillas, obviously, bro. This might be fire. And then we got onion and we got lettuce. And these small ass tomatoes. I forgot what this is called.
Bell pepper, bro.
Bell pepper, cucumber. We got shredded cheese. Oh, I forgot about this. We're even using lime. I did not see that.
Okay, we got our pans.
Wow!
They're already pre-cooked. We just need to already eat them. Oh.
425? For how long?
I don't know. 10 minutes.
Wait, after 10 minutes is done, you have to like flip it, bro. It's just excellent technique, bro.
Why does it smell so burnt already?
Yo, we're just sharpness test machine thingy.
Yo, it smells burnt. It smells burnt, guys.
Yeah, I don't know about y'all.
It smells burnt. Wait, why does it smell like marshmallows?
Ignore the smell, bro. Ignore the smell.
Ignore the marshmallows, bro.
It smells burnt, but ignore it, is what you're saying? Wash all the vegetables.
Yeah, no, later. Like, I'm gonna start with the
Well,
cucumber.
you gotta-
Individually, bro.
Yeah.
Individually. Yo, you have to start with the clean stuff first. So that includes the cucumbers, tomatoes, and the peppers, and then do the onion last. Don't do it first, so you don't end up like the mom thing.
Yeah.
Stop! Why are some of these so thick?
Oh no!
Speak to me. Call me daddy.
Okay, bro. Pack it up, bro.
Oh, I just dropped half of them.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm gonna burn myself.
Just flip it, bro.
Ouch! Yo, wait, that's not it.
Wait, just take it out. Just take it out. Just take it out. Just take it out.
Wait. Gigi's going next, bro.
I'm recording.
Wait, he just did it with his hand.
Wait, what?
Oh, what?
Wait, what?
Gigi's going next.
I'll put it back.
Okay, put it back in. How is that not hot?
I don't know.
It's supposed to be.
Okay, let's go dice the tomatoes.
Craven soup, bro. It's not it.
You got crave and you got soup. This is not the strap. Look at this guy, bro.
Gigi's going next, bro. Oh, great, huh? Cross contamination. No, hulu.
Oh yeah.
No.
Wait, why this first? Actually,
Don't cut it all the way through. Like, cut it in half.
yo, be so dead ass. Be so dead ass. This is the membrane.
Oh my cell membrane.
The membrane?
Yeah, the cell membrane, bro.
It's okay, man.
Oh, I see.
That's why. Yo. I'm not trying to get slashed.
Yo, it keeps falling off, bro. Oh!
Oh.
I can. Oh!
Just rub your eyes and it'll go away.
Yo, why did you cut so much onion? Yo, let's heat up the pan, man.
You're extra virgin.
Just need a tiny bit.
That works. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Oh my god, it's turning to melt.
Is it melting?
Yeah, it kind of is.
Worst camera.
What are your opinions on this, man?
No, it's ready, it's ready.
Oh. Yo, this is fireplace. I get platinum.
Yo, the table's too filled with random stuff.
What did you do? Goddamn.
Just gonna throw it on the pan like this. Yeah. Spread it out. Really?
We gotta make granny purple, bro. Schedule 1.
Why is it coming on the side? What the? Start dancing, boy.
No!
You like the music?
No.
Oh. Put it on? What the?
Hey, how much you want again?
Wait, you could just got a spoon.
I'm too lazy. How much you want?
Not that much. I don't think that matters. Oh, oh! That's so hot, bro.
It's a sizzling.
Oh wait, it actually is very hot. When you open it up, put more vegetables.
This is a family. I don't know what you on about, bro.
Hey, watch this shot.
Ooh. I'm putting crave in my tacos.
Say that again.
I'm putting crave in my tacos.
We got crave, and we got soup. This is not the strap. Look at this guy.
Crave cereal.
It's actually pretty good.
I put too much Tabasco.
What is your neighbors doing upstairs? Oh no! Bro, way better than last time's tacos?
Yeah. It's way better.
What do you gotta say? What do you gotta say? What is it? What is it?
It's so yummy!
What's happening?
Kenzie, what is this?
This is the outro right here, bro.
Okay, so what do you think of the meal?
Me personally, it was good. My mistake was I put too much Tabasco.
It's so good.
So good, what else?
It's very good. I put too much vegetables in the first one.
Alright, it was pretty good. That's wraps.
Yeah! I get the editing, boy.
Get him. Get the editor, get the editor. Get to the chair, get to the chair. Get on the chair, get on the chair.
Right now.
Yeah,
So start
editing,
editing,
boy.
Start editing, bro.
Yeah, open your door.